What if I told you that the humble egg, a staple in kitchens across the globe, has been hiding secrets that could revolutionize your health and transform your cooking experience? Imagine discovering that the eggs you've been eating your entire life have been robbing you of essential nutrients or worse, potentially making you sick. But fear not, we're about to embark on a journey that will transform you from an egg amateur to an egg connoisseur. From storage snafus to cooking catastrophes, we're covering it all. And trust me, you won't believe number 5. So, are you ready to revolutionize your egg game and unlock a world of flavor, nutrition, and culinary mastery? Eating raw or undercooked eggs is like playing Russian roulette with your gut. We're talking about salmonella, a nasty bacteria that can turn your stomach into a war zone. Diarrhea, cramps, fever, it's not a pleasant experience. Undercooked whites can also harbor this nasty bugger. You need to cook those eggs thoroughly to kill off any unwanted bacteria. Cooking eggs properly deactivates avidin, ensuring you get all the good stuff. So, the next time you're tempted to slurp down a raw egg or settle for a runny yolk, remember what's at stake. You've cooked your eggs to perfection, but the battle's not over yet. Leaving cooked eggs out at room temperature is like inviting bacteria to a buffet. They'll multiply faster than rabbits in spring. To keep those perfectly cooked eggs safe and delicious, you need to cool them down quickly and store them properly. Once they're cool, transfer them to an airtight container and pop them in the fridge. Keep them front and center where you'll actually remember to use them. Proper storage is key to enjoying your eggs without any unwanted side effects. You wouldn't incinerate a steak, would you? So why do it to your eggs? Overcooking robs eggs of their delicate texture and nutritional value. When you blast those eggs with high heat for too long, you're essentially turning them into rubber bullets. High heat destroys delicate vitamins and minerals, leaving you with a shell of their former glory. Overcooking can also create harmful compounds like oxidized cholesterol, which can increase your risk of heart disease. Low and slow is the key to perfectly cooked eggs, creamy yolks, tender whites, and all those precious nutrients intact. So, you've got some leftover cooked eggs and you're not sure what to do with them? Don't despair. Even the most seasoned chef has to deal with leftovers. But before you chuck those eggs in the microwave and call it a day, let's talk about how to reheat them properly. For scrambled eggs or omelets, the microwave is your friend. Just be sure to use a low setting and heat in short bursts, stirring between each one. This will help to prevent them from drying out and becoming rubbery. For boiled or poached eggs, gentle simmering is the way to go. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer and carefully lower in the eggs. With a little care and attention, you can transform those leftovers into a delicious and satisfying meal. You've mastered the art of cooking eggs, but now it's time to talk about the fuel that powers your culinary creations: the cooking oil. Using the wrong oil can turn your healthy breakfast into a heart attack on a plate. We're talking about those highly processed vegetable oils, loaded with unhealthy trans fats and omega-6 fatty acids. So, ditch the dodgy oils and upgrade your egg game with healthy fats that enhance both flavor and nutrition. Butter, ghee, coconut oil, and extra virgin olive oil. These are your new best friends in the kitchen. Butter and ghee add a rich, decadent flavor and are packed with healthy saturated fats. Remember, the oil you choose can make or break your breakfast. To sum up, we've looked at 5 common errors that may turn eggs from a powerful health food into a concealed threat. Eggs may be kept wholesome and safe with a few easy changes. Now that we've explored these concepts together, I'm interested to know what you discovered today that caught you off guard or made you think differently. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found these recommendations helpful. We appreciate your participation and look forward to speaking with you again soon.